Welcome to Touring Globe. This is how to travel using i. Picture this. You're sitting at home, scrolling through photos of crystal clear beaches, neon city skylines, or mountain trails reaching into the clouds. You want to travel, but planning feels overwhelming. Dozens of websites, endless YouTube videos, conflicting blogs, and prices that change by the minute. It's exciting, yes, but also exhausting. And often, people give up, thinking, maybe I'll plan later. Now imagine this instead: you have a personal assistant, always awake, who knows every corner of the world. You tell it what you love: history, food, beaches, adventure, and in seconds, it hands you a trip tailored to you. That's what AI can do. It turns travel planning from stress into simplicity, and from confusion into inspiration. Today, let's take a long journey together, not to one single country, but through the entire process of planning a trip with AI. From dreaming of a destination, to building a perfect day-by-day itinerary, to budgeting, packing, and even solving problems once you're on the road. By the end, you'll see how working with AI transforms the way we travel. 1. Finding your destination. One of the first questions in travel is, where should I go? The world is big, almost too big. If you've ever sat at your computer with 10 tabs open, best places to visit in summer, top destinations under $1,000, Europe versus Asia travel, you know how overwhelming it gets. Instead of you chasing answers, you simply describe your dream. For example, imagine you say, I have 2 weeks in July. My budget is about $1,500. I love history, food, and beaches. I'd like a place that feels safe, and not overly crowded with tourists. I might respond, Option 1, Greece. Explore Athens' ruins, relax on Santorini's beaches, and eat fresh souvlaki under the stars. Option 2, Portugal. Affordable flights, cobblestone cities, golden beaches in the Algarve, and pastel de nata in Lisbon cafes. Option 3, Mexico's Yucatan. A mix of Mayan ruins, turquoise cenotes, and tacos that cost less than a coffee back home. You instantly have a short list, with pros and cons for each. Want somewhere lesser known? I can recommend Albania, Sri Lanka, or Georgia, countries travelers often overlook but are rich with beauty. This stage isn't just about picking a country. It's about matching your personality with your destination. And with AI, the world suddenly feels organized, clear, and within reach. 2. Building the itinerary. Let's say you've chosen Paris. Great. Now comes the tricky part. How do you spend your days? If you search online, you'll find hundreds of itineraries: 3 days in Paris, 1 week in Paris, the ultimate Paris guide. But none of them really know you. With AI, you create a personalized script. For example, I want 3 days in Paris. I love art and food. I don't like rushing. I also want 1 romantic evening. I could design this. Day 1, morning at the Louvre. Lunch at a hidden bakery in the Latin Quarter. Afternoon stroll along the Seine. Evening sunset picnic with wine at Champ de Mars, watching the Eiffel Tower sparkle. Day 2, explore Montmartre, sip coffee near Sacré-Cœur, discover local art studios. Evening, a cozy wine-tasting dinner. Day 3, morning bike ride through quiet neighborhoods. Afternoon boat cruise on the Seine. Evening, rooftop view of Paris with a romantic dinner. And here's the magic: you can change the whole vibe with one sentence. If you say, make it adventure-focused, I replaces cafes with kayaking on the river, rooftop climbing, or exploring secret catacombs. If you say, make it family-friendly, the itinerary changes to parks, aquariums, and kid-friendly restaurants. It's like building your dream script for travel, one that fits your pace, your passions, your soul. 3. Budgeting with clarity. Money shapes travel more than we admit. Many trips fall apart because costs spiral out of control. I gives clarity. Let's take Dubai as an example. If you say, I want to visit Dubai for 5 days, budget, mid-range, and luxury options, please. I breaks it down. Budget traveler. Flights, $450 round trip. Hostels or budget hotels, $25 per night. Street food and AMP, metro rides, $15 per day. Activities, public beaches, free museums, spice souks. Total, about $900. Mid-range traveler. Flights, $600. 4-star hotels, $80 per night. Dining, $40 per day. Activities, desert safari, Burj Khalifa visit, Dow cruise. Total, about $1,800. Luxury traveler, flights, $800 plus. 5-star resorts, $300 per night. Fine dining, $150 per day. Private tours, yacht cruises, helicopter rides. Total, $4,500 plus. In one glance, you know exactly where your money goes. No hidden surprises. I can even suggest how to save, travel in the shoulder season, book early morning flights, or bundle hotels with flights. This removes the stress of money, letting you focus on the experience. 4. Travel tips and AMP, safety. Every country has rules, customs, and unspoken etiquette. Miss them, and you might offend locals, or worse, get into trouble. I acts like a cultural coach. Heading to Japan. It reminds you, never tip in restaurants, it's considered rude. Speak softly on trains. Always remove shoes before entering someone's home. Going to Italy. I tells you, espresso is for mornings, cappuccino after breakfast is frowned upon. Dress modestly in churches. Beware of pickpockets in Rome's Termini station. Traveling to Kenya. I highlights, use official taxis or ride-hailing apps. Carry small change for matatus. Respect local traditions when visiting Maasai communities. This advice isn't hidden in a 20-page article, it's given in seconds, tailored to your exact trip. 5. Packing like a pro. Packing sounds simple, until you forget something essential. I helps you pack smarter by asking, where are you going? When, for how long, what kind of activities? Going to Iceland in winter. Pack thermal layers, waterproof boots, gloves, and camera gear for northern lights. Heading to Thailand in summer. I suggest light clothes, sunscreen, insect repellent, and a waterproof phone case. Traveling for business. It adds power banks, adapters, and wrinkle-free shirts. Even better, it creates custom lists, digital nomad, laptop stand, noise-cancelling headphones, universal Wi-Fi SIM. Family, snacks, toys, first aid kits, spare clothes for kids. Adventure, trekking shoes, hydration pack, camping gear. I makes sure you walk into the airport confident, not second-guessing your suitcase. 6. Personalization. AI learns you. This is where the magic really happens. The more you use AI, the more it understands your style. If you're a foodie, your itineraries fill with street markets, local dishes, and hidden restaurants. If you love nature, you'll see hikes, national parks, and eco-tours. If you crave nightlife, AI highlights clubs, rooftop bars, and live music. Every trip feels handcrafted. Not a cookie-cutter guidebook, but a story written for you. 7. AI during the trip. Planning is only half the story. AI stays useful once you're traveling. Missed your train in Italy? AI finds the next fastest route. Raining in Bali when you planned a beach day? AI swaps in indoor activities like cooking classes or spas. Hungry in Tokyo at midnight? AI shows you which ramen shops are still open. It adapts in real time, like a local friend guiding you. Closing, the future of travel. So here's the truth: AI isn't replacing the wonder of travel. It's enhancing it. It saves you hours of scrolling. It tailors your plans to your personality. It reminds you of things you'd forget. And it's there when things go wrong. Instead of stress, you feel clarity. Instead of confusion, you feel confidence. Instead of following a generic tourist path, you walk a journey that feels like yours alone. Travel has always been about discovery, of places, people, and even yourself. And with AI as your travel partner, the world doesn't feel overwhelming anymore. It feels open. Ready. Waiting. So next time you dream of a trip, don't get lost in endless tabs. Just tell your AI what you want, and let it design the journey. That could easily stretch it beyond an hour. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.